Good morning, children. First midterm test. First midterm test. Model paper 2. Continue. Model paper 2. Continue. Roman number 1. Answer the following. First one. Write the number names. First one. Write the number names. A. 63,542. A. 63,542. Second question. Write in the expanded form. Second question. Write in the expanded form. A. 36,284. Answer is 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 4. Third question. From the pairs of numbers given below, compare their by using less than, greater than and equal signs. Third one. From the pairs of numbers given below, compare they by using less than, greater than and equal to signs. A. 5,002 less than 8,002. A. 5,002 less than 8,002. B. 14,311 greater than 13,411. B. 14,311 greater than 13,411. Fourth one. Write in ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest is called ascending order. Answer. 39,898. Second number 56,001. Third number 63,112. Fourth number 77,664. Descending order. Arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest is called descending order. Answer. 77,664, 63,112, 56,001, 39,892. Add the following. A. First arrange the numbers vertically. 21,416 plus 7 plus 63 plus 3,974. Answer is 25,460. Sixth sum. Sub the following. First arrange the numbers vertically. 63,685 minus 21,463. Answer is 42,222. Seventh one. Multiply. 854 into 21. 854 into 1. 854. 854 into 20. Answer is 17,080. So 854 plus 17,080. Answer is 17,934. Eighth sum. Divide. 7,147 divided by 7. Answer is 1,021. Roman number 2. Statement sums. A. Rahul has 3,289 stamps. Ravi has 4,000 1699 stamps. How many stamps does Ravi have more than Rahul? First write statements. Number of stamps Ravi has 4699. Number of stamps Rahul has 3289. So 4699 minus 3289. Number of stamps Ravi has more than Rahul 1410 stamps. B. In a village there are 675 people are living. Each person uses 25 liters of water daily. How much water is needed for village every day? First let us write the statements. Liters of water used for each person 25. Liters of water used for 675 persons. 675 into 25. Answer is 16,875 liters. All the best. Thank you, children.